Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Mary and welcome to my channel. So in this recipe is made up of two powerful ingredients, which are clove and ginger. Now the one I am washing, please make sure you wash your ginger before using. The one I'm washing is called ginger, while the one inside a transparent nylon is called clove. One thing I love about these two ingredients is that both are very good to grow your hair long. Yes, so I'm going to be telling you the benefits of each ingredient as I blend this. Now if you have an electric blender, just use an electric blender to blend your ginger. You don't have to blend the clove, just blend your ginger and you're good to go. Now clove is actually very good to strengthen your roots. It helps to strengthen your roots well, and it promotes hair growth. You want to grow your hair, pour those clove. You want to grow your hair, add ginger. But one thing about ginger, don't add too much. You might just be feeling something pepperish on your on your hair or your scalp. Sure, you get it is what's it called, guys? At some point I added water. Ginger does not have this much water, just to get all the pop out of the blade of the blender. So you get, you don't have to, like I do say, you don't have to add one baler of stuff inside your recipe. Little is actually enough. Now ginger is actually very good to grow your hair long. Now you notice that, okay, you notice that the clove, I didn't use another water to soak it. I am going to soak it inside that ginger water. Do you get? That is what I did here. Don't use another water to soak and now sieve, please and please. The little water you use to blend it is actually enough to dissolve the clove. Do you understand? So that is just it, guys. What was I saying? Ginger is actually very good. Like, you see this class of stuff, ginger, garlic and onion, my dear, don't joke with it. So please leave it for 24 hours so that it can be infused properly in the water. Can you see that the color has changed? Everything is now sokoto. If you don't understand what I said, you don't have to understand. That's my language. So please and please make sure you infuse it properly. Just leave it for 24 hours. It can't get spots. Like clove, anything you add clove to, it can't get spots. Like, say, I'm saying it confidently, it can't get spots whether you use a fridge or not. It will still be intact and good till you are done using it, till you are done or even tired of throwing it away and just decided to make another one. So you get, so I'm using a wig cap here. If you have a wig cap, you're good to go, and if you don't have, you can actually substitute it with, what's it called, with your scarf, with your clothes actually. So please, you drain, you squeeze so that you can get the water out of it. This one is actually easy, it's not much. So it's actually easy to squeeze and haul. So that is just, guys, can you see the color? 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 Like, can you see the color of this thing? Just tell me how I'm gonna use this and it's not gonna work for you. Just tell me, So if you don't have an applicator bottle, I do say I sell applicator bottle. I sell, oh, this is spraying bottle, sorry. I sell applicator bottle, I sell spraying bottle. So you can just order me. I sell them on and I will deliver to you. Anyway, so please, you can use this every day, or just keep a day in between. You can use it every 2 days or every 3 days. Like I do, seal the moisture in your hair with oil. I have posted how I made this powerful Ayurvedic oil. You can check out on my channel. And if you think that you can't get all the ingredients I used in making this, you can just get the random oil, whether coconut oil, almond oil, any oil of your choice, and just after adding the water, the ginger spray, seal the moisture with oil, and guys, you are good to go. So thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel, this is me begging and saying, please and please kindly subscribe to my channel, and I definitely want to see you in my next video. I want to say bye for now.